wọ́n ní wọ́n ti gbé VeryDarkMan. Àbábọ̀ ẹ̀gán lẹ fẹ́ wò nú fídíò yìí. Èrò tí yín pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ a fẹ́ mọ̀. Comment section ó ṣe pàtàkì kẹ́ fi èrò yín síta. Ẹ like ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe tẹ́ bá ń wo ìkànnì fúngbà àkọ́kọ́. Kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ share fáwọn ẹlòmíì. Tóbi Alaseyori náà lẹ ń wò yìí. Ẹ máa wò ńsó o.
So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is happening right now in the Femi Falana VDM court case, because, it has taken a new turn, you understand, because right now I've gotten a court order, ordering VDM to do some things, which I'm going to be telling you in this particular video, guys. Then also I'm going to be giving you the update on VDM's NGO, guys, and the last amount he announced that he has made in the NGO, and a lot of persons are actually reacting to the NGO, you understand. Some people are saying VDM is a scam, and some people are saying VDM, they trust VDM with their life, that VDM will not misuse the funds from the NGO. So I'm going to be showing you all that also. So the court has ordered VDM, like VeryDarkMan, the court has ordered VeryDarkMan that he should do some things. First of all, he should delete, the videos, the defamatory videos he has online on Femi Falana. He should delete all those videos. Then I'm just going to be reading what they sent to him, and guys, this is what the statement said. The defendant, his agent, hereby restrained from further releasing, publishing, or circulating any defamatory videos or comments about the applicant, and to bring down the defamatory video or comment about the applicant published on 24th September 2024 on all online social media handles, pending compliance with the pre-action protocol of the Honorable Court. The order in one above shall lapse after 21 days from today. Then after this later, then it was posted on the blogs also that the court has ordered VeryDarkMan to pay the sum of 500 million naira, for defamation of Femi Falana. And right now, I'm still even trying to confirm if that is a real news, because we have Timi Agbaje coming out to say this is fake news. Instablog Nigeria, the court has not done trial on the matter, so no fine has been stated by the court. The court only gave order for substituted service, VeryDarkMan to be served through his lawyer, and he should remove the defamatory videos from his social media, and also not post further defamatory matter about the Falanas. So that's what the court actually orders, and a lot of persons have reacted to this, and this was what they said. We had the likes of Dr. Kemi coming out to say her two piece, and this was what she said.
Dr. Kemi Lawrence, it's October 15th, 2024. Let's talk about VDM. VDM has just been asked by a court to pay 500 million in damages to Mr. Femi Falana and his son Falls for defamation and to protect their public reputation. The fact remains that the Falanas have no public reputation. They're corrupt people. They're liars, they're cheats, and they're frauds. They eat from both sides. They eat from the government and they eat from the people. Mr. Falana specifically was quoted, as being mentioned in a phone call with Bobrisky and his son Falls, where Bobrisky was saying they want to pay 10 million to an attorney who will get them a presidential pardon. Have we solved that? No, we haven't. Who was that attorney? And who was the godfather that put Bobrisky in an apartment? All these things are intertwined. This is not time to be suing VDM for 500 million naira. The reason is because this EFCC case and the prison corruption case has not solved itself yet. There are answers that need to be given to the public. One person did not show up at the hearing. The parastatals had representatives show up. VDM showed up and gave a lengthy account of what he knew at the National Assembly, but Bobrisky never showed up. This is corruption at its highest form. Bobrisky needs to go back to prison to serve the 6-month sentence that the judge ordered. Why are we not talking about that judge? Why are we not talking about the Bobrisky judge? But if Nigerians rally around VDM and they start going on the streets and protesting, the protest might turn into looting, anarchy, and all that, which is not what we want. I'm urging all my own fans, nobody must go out to cause violence. VDM is bigger than the presidency. VDM is bigger than Nigeria. The moment they called him from the presidency, as he said in one of his videos, to see that what he's doing is good, they wanted to set him up and they wanted to know that he was actually getting those donations for his NGO to help primary school children. Soon as they saw his announcement that the money had reached 120 million, they decided to stick it to him in the court so they can collect 120 million out of their 500 million. The Falanas are fraudulent. Falls and his fathers are liars, cheats, and fraud. Now, Nigerians need to cancel Falls. Cancel him. No more music business. Falls is a bisexual guy. He knows it. The industry knows it, and people are scared. I do not discriminate against homosexuals. Okay? I grew up in a country where homosexuals are like us. And if he wants to feel that that is protecting his public reputation, okay, that's nonsense. I have said all the truth, but the Falanas cannot sue me. Even when I accused Mr. Falana of buying stolen property, which the EFCC seized during the Ribadu administration, he couldn't face me. He had to tell the NSA, Ribadu is the National Security Advisor, to sue me for 10 billion if I did not make an apology and retraction. I did not make an apology and I did not make a retraction. I am a journalist. Even though I'm retired, I protect the source. I know these things happen. And some of the sources are my own father. So if you want to go arrest my father, do that. He's 89 years old in a wheelchair and he can still talk and function. Now, the most important thing I want Nigerians to know is to get focused. All the voices that are amplifying the suffering in Nigeria have fled the country. I fled the country because of government intimidation, police intimidation, and even the people. When does this intimidation stop? If you support these governments that are doing all these things, you're supporting foolishness. For so long, Mr. Deji Adeyanju has been saying this. When Ibiyomi locked me up, you cannot suppress voices in Nigeria. We will go and do an international campaign against this kind of judgment. And the criminal defamation law needs to go. This is why no journalist practices in Nigeria. Almost everybody's out of the country. Name it. Cable NG, Sahara Reporters, People's Gazette. Everybody's operating the media houses outside Nigeria. I would ask VDM to appeal the judgment. Nigerians, please calm down. Don't go in the streets and protest, but let your voices be heard on social media. Mr. Falana does not deserve any apology or any such judgment. Okay? Amplify your voices and get judgment for the real people. The person who allegedly paid Mr. Falana 10 million to get a presidential pardon, and the godfather who ordered Bobrisky out of the prison into a private apartment must be outed first. I mean, let's get the facts straight where they need to be. Thanks for listening, Nigerians.
This VeryDarkMan case with Falana is the fastest in the history of our judiciary in Nigeria. This case supposed to enter Guinness Book of Record. Is the fastest. I didn't even know judiciary they are this fast. If they are this fast, how come my tenants are still in my estate? Almost 2 years. We never even move from one court. How come Rivers Assembly, the one where they can go APC, their matter still they caught up till now? This is the fastest judgment or fine in the history of our judiciary. This supposed to enter Guinness Book of Record. They should call Guinness Book of Record people to come and take this one. This is the fastest judgment any human being can get. Kai, judiciary is truly for common man. It is truly for common man. I am not supporting what he did, yes, but this judgment is the fastest I've ever seen. Even House of Assembly, we see they do inquiry, they never finish their inquiry. Court don't fire. Which kind of country we dey? One law for some people, one law for others. How come Rivers is still in court? How come judiciary hasn't done something about it? So VeryDarkMan own is important, eh?
You can never bring me down. You must fight that. That's why I say, do people know that many elders in this nation will lose respect to the youth of this generation? This is why the elders will lose respect. Most of the elders know the head as elders. They know the head go the direction we go better the nation. Okay, wait. Ever since VDM released this tape, I've been asking one question. Is VDM the problem? Was it VDM that called your name or your son's name? The original person that called your name, your son confirmed it that there was a call in between. So that voice is authentic. Now, what I expect to see is you giving an ultimatum to Bobrisky. No, you did not do that one. You saying Bobrisky is the one defaming you by saying what he said in that tape. No, you did not do that one. The anger you have is who gave VDM right to play the audio. Is that not the problem we have here? So meaning VDM is the son of nobody. VDM does not have right to expose what is happening in the country now, or it's not privileged enough. Make this, let's understand. Nigerians, I want people to explain to me. Now they brought a notice that VDM should take the video down. If you take the video down, what is that going to do for the case? Wait, it be like say these people they hide with Bobrisky. Why is nobody calling out Bobrisky's name? Why did they glue Bobrisky's side? I mean Bobrisky. Because I don't really understand why that video and everybody attack. This is a distraction. Bring down the video. You people want to remove trace of VDM exposing corruption, or una not just the happy say the boy the call una. I don't get it. Does bringing down the video now solve the defamation? Does it solve the defamation, or does it help the issues in this nation concerning corruption? Nigerians, I don't understand though. I know you understand why this man won't use by all means take peace for our peace team. They won't spoil our chain. But one thing is sure, this is going to be a battle between the good people of Nigeria and the bad people of Nigeria. Nigerians, you are there. No problem. You guys have God Father. We have God the Father. It's Kokupi. Allah.
It's almost at 60 million naira. That's a lot of money, bruv. That's a lot of money in just 2 days. It's almost 60 million naira. So I'm going to be starting the project very soon. I didn't even believe people would be able to contribute this much amount. You know, I didn't believe it, I swear to God. I just did my thing, you know. Now I have to even re-strategize and realign my plan. Do you understand? In all honesty, there are some people at the top of my head. They're on Facebook. I see them do charity. I see them do NGOs. They'll say somebody have kidney problem. They always do kidney. Oh, somebody have kidney.
I feel God is just using this Falana case to show VDM that he didn't do right by me. Because if it was another person, he would have looked into the evidence. He would have looked into the case. All those things where they talk, when they say David they owe me money for song. Now waiting David post online at the talk. So if we don't look into one, even the double death case, now waiting police talk, I talk. Even when I talk, say they try breaking into my house where they post CCTV footage. He no come out can't talk. He no look into the evidences before he come out can't talk. He was just doing selective activism based on favoritism. Later he come outside, say me can apologize, say everything where I talk na lie, this thing. I dey try tell am say I no fit apologize for saying the truth. Because right now they don't even get evidence against me. They just legally detain me. So if I go apologize, they go come get evidence where they go use carry me go court. Now we take on the sub with them. Now after you apologize, where they use the apology as evidence. Now 500 million you go pay. But I tell gang no people small. Donation.
After this video, a lot of persons reacted, and this was what they said. They were like, VeryDarkMan not go ever apologize to them. They are looking for evidence to use against VDM. That is the apology. VDM wise past them. So this person was like, Team Falana, make them press that VeryDarkMan neck. Not be every matter, then they put mouth. You be man, not woman. The Falanas should really be ashamed of themselves. They have shown that they can use the judiciary against anyone because Falana and his friends control the judiciary. The only crime you can commit in Nigeria is to be poor. Falana just drove his reputation to the ground. What a shame. So those were the reaction of some people, you know, towards the court order on VeryDarkMan, guys. So it's going crazy right now. But also VeryDarkMan came out to drop updates on his NGO. guys, and the NGO is gathering serious money right now. And as of some days back, he came out to do this video talking about the amount that the NGO has gathered so far, but I know by now it will be more than this particular price.
Wow. Like play, in just 48 hours since the announcement of my NGO, 56.4 million naira have been contributed in just 2 days, in just 48 hours. Man, that's crazy. That's massive love and support, man. Don't play. When I say don't play with the Rattle, I mean don't play. The Rattle gang is active 100%. And the craziest part, like I said, it amazes me, you understand, is the fact that the major money where don't enter, the big amounts, now 2 million, 1 million, 1 million. To 200,000, I can count it. 100,000, I can count, and every other one, 10K, 5K, 500, 300. The main ones, now 500, 300, 100 naira, 15 naira, 22 naira, 22 naira, 10 naira, 15 naira. Everybody just they give their little by little, and you don't enter how much? 56.4 million naira. Shout out to you guys. Hopefully this project is gonna be successful. I know say a lot of people go still won't fight me, you know, but then again, still gonna prove them wrong. And like I said, my aim is to do well and also to let people know the kind of scam that these people use NGOs in doing. Yes, they're easy to fraud, they're easy to launder money, they're easy to scam. They collect big money for some project and they don't do it, or they do little and use the rest for themselves. It is what it is. Anyways, thank you all for contributing. The account number still remains Zenith Bank 131 36 3679 008. Zenith Bank. Please verify the name Martins Vincent Ote Initiative. Zenith Bank. Shout out to you as you keep on contributing. Maybe we feel reach 100 million very soon. Just maybe. With this kind of PSO they go, it's possible. It's possible. So yeah. The planning is still going on, so we'll know the right place to start. May we no come do mistake, may they no go laugh me. But anyways, we are definitely going to succeed. Shout out to everyone contributing. Brah, don't play. I love you all.
So a lot of persons has reacted to this NGO thing, you know. A lot of persons had good stuff to say. A lot of persons also had bad stuff to say. But before I show you the videos, you tell me what you think about it in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video.
Make una say me say problem. They hear say VeryDarkMan don't open NGO. Since he open the NGO, they see some people they say one scam people. Say when they carry personal account, they collect the money. Say the name of the NGO now Vincent Martins or say initiative. Say na account. Say when they collect people money so that thing goes and they fund their own lifestyle. You understand? The reason why una they fear now because now waiting on they do. And I know say normally NGO na scam for Nigeria. Anybody will tell you say that they run NGO, non-governmental organization. Then be armed robber, then be thief. You understand? These people when they don't get small follower or small popularity, they will go collect NGO, come use and they collect money from people. So then they help person. When they gather that money finish, some people figure out 50 million naira. They will come carry 5,000 naira or 20,000 naira. Go buy Indomie, buy 1 carton of egg, buy 3 carton of Indomie, buy 1 bag of rice, buy tomatoes and everything. Go motherless baby home. Go snap picture, carry hand, put for center, sit down for center for motherless baby home. All the children go gather them. Then go snap picture, contact the motherless baby home to say thank you to their foundation. Then go say thank you to them. They compost and I say them be better human being. They don't be better human being. No. Now waiting then they take fund their life. That's why I see opening now. Now they come they say now waiting they want do. You understand? Now because now on a lifestyle. Now waiting on they do. That's why they say now waiting they want do. Seriously, make allow the boy making doing thing. At least in there transparent enough to they talk how much in don't make. Only I come and say they don't give her 80 million. When the thing reach 21 million, they say they don't reach 21 million. When they reach 30 million, they say they don't reach 30 million. Most of them, nobody know how much they give her. Some of them even go to the extent of bringing somebody where they sick. Say the person down on the NGO. Say on the NGO why help this person who get cancer. On the NGO why help this person who they sick prostate cancer. Or person who get better sickness. On I can't carry the person come for screen. Cause say may they contribute. When people contribute finish, on I can't if they contribute like 20 million. Now I can't tell the person say no I help the person no. Say may the person collect 5 million, carry 50 million given her because without on our popularity, the person no go see this money collect. Say when I don't try for the person and I NGO be that, na thief, na business, and I do you understand? This boy just start you make on a line drink water drop up, you understand? And they talk say anyone collect the money go the fund the life. At least in the transparent, in the talk how much you don't collect, you understand? Make on a wait. If you don't wait 1 year, 6 months, you understand? He not do anything. Now I say they go club, him and Kokopi, then they go club, they carry women, they dance. He don't change us, he don't buy new car, you understand? He come the fund the lifetime. And at that time when I go complain, make on a allow the boy drink water drop cup, you understand? And some people they say Timmy, and see somebody see message person send me, Timmy, you don't contribute to VeryDarkMan. VeryDarkMan this thing. I never contribute. I no go contribute. You understand? No be by force. No force anybody. You understand? Me as I do on my own. I dey help people around me. I dey help my friends. I dey help my family members. I dey even help people who I don't know. You don't need an NGO to help anybody. You don't need NGO to be a good person. You understand? As I dey here now, this year, I know how many people I don't support their business. You understand? I don't need to post and between me and God. You understand? So NGO, you don't need an NGO to help anybody. NGO for Nigeria and scam. Most of them are thief. Now, if you saw those people say they go motherless baby home, you go see them and go post them. Today, I went to support Harmonious Foundation. I gave them 7 cartons of Indomie. I promised them 1 million naira. These people don't go gather all those things in a picture, then they gather video. Picture and gather evidence, say them be good person, you understand? They come and go, they meet government, they meet better people. Some go even go abroad, go collect money, say them be NGO, you understand? Gather better money, come carry 5% of the money, take give motherless baby home, or do small giveaway, you understand? The remaining money, see balling, see club, see car, see house, where then they buy, you understand? Armed robbers, not them be. I'm seriously making allow the boy making doing thing. I know say most of them on the first say one spoil on an NGO business, on the first say one expose on a secret, you understand? Because by the time it start to you now begin do something, people will go they say, hey, on a way say on a be NGO, say on a don't they do things. All those 5 cartons of Indomie, 3 cartons of this thing, and on a they collect money now waiting they make on a fear, you understand? Make on allow the boy drink water, drop cup. When on a give us some time, he no do anything, then make on a start to the complain. VeryDarkMan, I dedicate this song to you because this one now you don't try, you understand, for this NGO. Oluwa etobi yo etobi pium pium pium. Oluwa etobi yo etobi pium 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 patanere nuwe shata mewere o etobi Oluwa VeryDarkMan don't come to spoil NGO their business.
Finally, VDM don't show us in true color. Now I talk with him carry on social media. Now money come make. If you're in this category, come closer. I have to talk to you. Please, answer my question jejely before I enter you. When people were displaced in Borno State, please can you show me your picture where you took risk to go there and see them and to help in your own little way? When people had no water, can you show me one village or one community that you've assisted and helped? And then when he did all those things, he did not come on social media to announce it or to talk about him. No. When he had issues with Bobrisky and he got to House of Reps, and there and then, without fear or rank or favor, he reported the Borno State governor that the money released by World Bank, that the people displaced are not actually getting the help they deserved. Please, where were you? You were busy. You were immersed in the drama about VDM and Bobrisky. And now that he opened an NGO proper, trying to help people, and even made it public how much he has received so far, published everybody that's given. I said no celebrity friend of his or anybody that knows him should come to his DM to say, I've given this amount, because to me it's eye service. You're now talking. Okay, bro, one. If they divide into 2, you go carry one. Make I hear pain for your mouth again if you don't answer yes to all the questions I asked. Nigeria waiting be a problem. They go drive and go front and I say, drive and go back and I say, everything that this young man is doing, if you're not bold enough to use your platform for some of these things, do I agree with everything? No. But do I appreciate him regardless? Yes! How many people between you and I go do one? I know how many people I don't help. In fact, my back they break. Sometimes they run from their calls and everything. And yet somebody's doing it. Because just learn how to say, thank you, VDM. Even if I don't like you, thank you for what you're doing. Thank you for reaching out to the displaced people. Thank you for this NGO. Wisdom.
VeryDarkMan's NGO is the most transparent NGO in Nigeria right now. VDM is setting the standard of how a real NGO should operate. The boy, they collect money. They show us how much they enter their account. He's showing us everything. So far, he has realized over 30-something million naira. He's taking us through the process. He's transparent. We are seeing it. 500 naira they enter, 200 naira they enter, 25 naira they enter, 1,000 naira, 200 naira, 5k, 100k, 200k. He's showing us everything. He's so transparent. Of course, you guys already know that a lot of people that do NGO in Nigeria are doing it to fund their lifestyle. They go collect money, collect money, collect money, collect money. You no go know how much way they get. They go meet people way down the streets. They go snap picture. They go give them Indomie. They go give them tomatoes. They go give them onion. You go they happy. You'll be contributing money, not knowing that they are using the money you are giving to them to fund their lifestyle. This thing way VDM they do is going to put a lot of them out of business, because this is the real and legit way to run an NGO. He's running the NGO. He's showing us the bank transactions. We are seeing everything that's coming in and going out of that account. Big shout out to VDM. This is the way to run an NGO. I see a lot of people who are hitting on him, saying that why did he open the NGO in his name? Now, in your papa name, you go open them before. And the money is coming in, and we are seeing how much that is coming in. And of course, he's going to take us through how he's going to spend that money and how he's going to invest that money. VDM for president. This boy is doing a lot for Nigerians. Shout out to him. Let's keep supporting him. Let's keep sending money to that account. Let's keep supporting his NGO. His NGO is the most legit NGO right now. He's not doing it to fund his lifestyle. If tomorrow we begin to for club, he go buy a new car, he begin to pop bottles, he begin to live extravagant life, we go not say, okay, don't they spend the money. But so far, so good. We're not seeing that lifestyle. So let's keep supporting him. Let's keep sending money to that account. We go fit achieve what we go achieve. As government, no one help us. As T-Pain, no one help us. As T-Baby, no one help us. It's time for us to help ourselves. With this NGO that VeryDarkMan opened, we can achieve a lot in that country. If tomorrow, if what's in they do no make sense to me again, me way day here, go call him out. Una know me now, I know they fear anybody, papa. I will call him out, I'll call him to order. But so far so good, it's transparent, we're seeing everything he's doing. Any small amount you get, sent to the account. Let us help each other.
Alaseyori TV náà ni. Ẹ subscribe sí ATV Alaseyori TV. Ẹ subscribe sí kẹ̀dẹ̀ share fáwọn ẹlòmíì.